I want direct people. LifeWayne in the kitchen, cook some food for my grandfather. Watch it breathe. See it? Yeah, call this curry chicken back. Cause the man they love them have their food there. Yeah, see it breathe. So me there, LifeWayne there. Cook some food for my grandfather. Yeah? So I just want all of my fans them tune in and then they know so Rasta can cook. Watch it breathe. Steam too. Some white rice over here. White rice. Steam. Steam. Turn up people. Turn up. If you don't want some, you can't get it too. No joke about it. You don't want some? Watch me. See in a life, you have to start from somewhere in a life. No matter what your people have, what you have. When people are chat you, don't watch them. Move forward. And sometimes in a life, people are chat you and you are worried about them, my friend. Don't worry about them, because them not worry about you. Push on and press on and tell yourself you can make it. You come from nothing to something. Check your life when I tell you. Check yourself, don't wreck yourself. Watch it pray. You're born with the talent, you know. I don't give up. No time I don't give up. No matter how my tough in my heart, tell myself say me nah LifeWayne, nah give up. When me left fire so straight exercise. Always keep fit. Fitness and most important thing. People, you know, cut off of the meat. Eat more vegetable, fruits, blend up your pine, your ginger. One more I want to blend up. I want to get some huckle too. I want to blend up. And just drink up and keep fit. This how me fit? Look for my muscle. I know meat do it. I know chicken do it. A fruit juice do it. And vegetable do it. But you have to have money to maintain it. You hear me say? If you don't have money, because too much meat, too much red meat, no good food now. And me diverting a red meat. Just there I cook some food to my grandfather. Because you have to remember the place where you're coming from. You see me? And yes, so I come from to make it turn big man and get a youth. And enough youth no remember where them coming from. That's why them go back which where them come from. Because them bite the hands and feed them. But LifeWayne not do that. We no bite the hands and feed we, so we here now. Life. But you guys know see a LifeWayne. Watch it breathe. You can get some food. Blessing me work for me, no work for bad blessing. We not do like enough of them. Just put here so make it go and simmer, people. Don't watch you go and watch it breathe. Just put here so make it go and simmer and thing. And just make it go and simmer. Simmer down. That pot is up. Yeah, this is meat. Nice, it cook down in a gravy. And I want to tell you, people. I want to tell you, we have about 2 people are coming come get something. Watch it quick. You don't mind and see it, but them did it. You have to call on them. Them are wait. Because your food is top of life. Don't give nobody nothing and talk about it. People, anything you want to do in your life, don't talk about it. Give a man food and talk about it. Don't talk about it. I'm going to have to tell this, my fans. You know, say if I go one of my friends' yard and you know, say, LifeWayne want a buffalo water. You know, say me I go tell him no. You know the reason why no me I go tell him? Because me no want him give me water and take it tell me. And go tell him friend say, boy, LifeWayne, come on, they can drink out everything out of my fridge and them out everything. It's easy and make a road go buy a bottle of water. No disrespect. Cause you go take it tell me. Cause some people, them no real. And real, no real. Just like how me know where I'm coming from and still don't left out my roots. You see me? And I hear some living. Come cook some food for my grandfather. And my grandfather and my father and I want much respect me have for him. You see me? Because them man they go and kill me when me a baby. You see me? And people, when I tell you to respond me there, me they are resource district. Up on one man when you really what? Bored. Yeah. You see me? I remember my roots. Because I don't look who come milk me drink from them man. You see me? I don't look who take you and take you. I mean, can't me on their hand. You see me? The man didn't have money on me own. Straight. I mean, I talk from my heart. I mean, I do with no murmuration.